everyone, welcome back to the Go Condo channel, where we bring you the best condo decor and interior design ideas to make your small space feel like a dream. If you're new here, I'm Sarah, and today we're diving into some super creative space-saving kitchen hacks for small condos. These tricks will help you maximize your kitchen's potential while keeping it stylish and functional. So if you're ready to make the most out of your cozy kitchen, keep watching. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment below telling us what your favorite hack is. We'd love to hear from you and learn what tricks you've tried to make your condo kitchen work better for you. Now, let's get into these amazing kitchen hacks that will transform your cooking space. When you're working with a small kitchen, multifunctional furniture can be a game changer. Consider incorporating an island that doubles as a prep station and a breakfast bar. This not only gives you extra counter space, but also adds a cozy eating area without needing additional furniture. A fold-down table can also be a smart solution for small kitchens. It can be tucked away when not in use, but pulled down when you need extra space. Incorporating furniture that does double duty allows you to maximize space without sacrificing style. A rolling cart is another great piece that can function as a movable pantry, wine rack, or extra counter space, depending on your needs. These kinds of items are incredibly versatile and can be adjusted to fit your changing lifestyle. When floor space is limited, it's time to start thinking vertically. Use your walls to store items like pots, pans, and even spices. Wall-mounted shelves are perfect for keeping essential kitchen items organized and within reach while freeing up valuable counter space. You can even install hooks to hang utensils, mugs, or cooking tools, giving your kitchen a personalized and stylish vibe. Another great vertical storage idea is to use pegboards or magnetic strips. These are perfect for holding everything from knives to small kitchen gadgets. Not only will it help keep things accessible and tidy, but it will also add a modern and sleek touch to your kitchen. The more you utilize your vertical space, the more room you'll have for cooking and preparing meals. Hidden storage is one of the best ways to keep your small kitchen looking clean and organized. Look for appliances or furniture pieces that feature built-in storage compartments, like hidden drawers in cabinets or an integrated trash can that slides out of a drawer. These solutions can easily hide your clutter, ensuring your kitchen stays tidy without compromising on style. You can also use the space under your sink for hidden storage. A pull-out drawer or organizer can house cleaning supplies, extra sponges, or trash bags, ensuring they are easily accessible but out of sight. With these hidden storage tricks, you'll be able to declutter your countertops and give your kitchen a sleek, minimalist look. In a small condo kitchen, choosing the right appliances can make a huge difference. Opt for space-saving, compact appliances like slim refrigerators or built-in dishwashers that can seamlessly blend with your cabinetry. These appliances not only save space, but also provide a clean, uniform look throughout your kitchen. Another clever idea is to choose multi-purpose appliances, such as a combination microwave and oven, or a stove with a built-in griddle. These hybrid appliances help conserve space and are incredibly efficient, so you don't have to sacrifice style or functionality in your small kitchen. When you're designing a small kitchen, light colors can help make the space feel bigger and brighter. Opt for light cabinetry in shades like white, light gray, or even pastel colors to open up the space. These hues will reflect more light and create the illusion of a larger, airier environment. Incorporating light-colored countertops and backsplash tiles can further enhance this effect. If you prefer darker shades, balance them out with lighter accents or open shelving to prevent the space from feeling cramped. The right color palette can totally transform a small kitchen into a visually spacious and welcoming area. Open shelving is an excellent way to keep a small kitchen both functional and stylish. By using open shelves instead of traditional cabinets, you can keep everything in plain sight and reduce the need for bulky storage units. Display beautiful dishware, glassware, or plants to add personality and charm to your kitchen. While open shelving can be incredibly effective, it's important to keep it organized. Consider adding baskets or bins to store smaller items, and always maintain a minimalist approach to avoid clutter. When done right, open shelving can make your kitchen feel much more spacious and inviting. Having enough space to prepare your meals can be challenging in a small kitchen, but with the right prep stations, you can make the most of what you have. Try incorporating a small butcher block or a compact kitchen cart that can be used for chopping, prepping, or even serving food. This gives you more usable space without permanently taking up room in your kitchen. Another option is to get a pull-out counter extension. These clever additions can be hidden when not in use, but when you need them, they pop out to create additional prep space. This allows you to enjoy the functionality of a larger kitchen without the need for extra countertop area. In small spaces, less is more. A minimalist design approach works wonders in a compact kitchen. Stick to simple, streamlined designs for your cabinets and countertops, avoiding intricate or bulky furniture pieces. Choose sleek, modern finishes, and make use of negative space to keep the kitchen feeling open and uncluttered. Minimalism doesn't mean sacrificing personality. Add decorative elements that bring character to your space, such as a bold backsplash, colorful dish towels, or unique light fixtures. These small touches will give your kitchen a chic, personal flair while still maintaining a minimalist vibe. Every kitchen, no matter how small, should have a focal point. This could be a statement light fixture above your island, a bold backsplash, or even a vibrant piece of art on the wall. Having one central feature draws the eye and helps distract from the compact size of the space, making it feel more expansive and unique. By choosing a focal point, you also give your kitchen a sense of purpose and direction. It creates a space that feels curated and well thought out, instead of just a place to cook. A well-chosen focal point can transform your small condo kitchen into a stylish and functional area. Mirrors aren't just for bathrooms and bedrooms. Adding mirrors to your small condo kitchen can work wonders in reflecting light and creating the illusion of space. You can hang a large mirror on one wall or incorporate mirrored finishes on your cabinetry or backsplash. The reflective surfaces will bounce light around the room and make the kitchen feel larger and brighter. You could even opt for mirrored backsplash tiles or a glass front cabinet to add a touch of elegance. Just be mindful of how much reflection you're creating. Too many mirrors can make the space feel busy. A little goes a long way in achieving that spacious, airy feel. And there you have it. These small condo kitchen hacks will help you make the most of your limited space while keeping things stylish and functional. Whether it's through multifunctional furniture, smart storage solutions, or clever design tricks, there's always a way to optimize your kitchen. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your favorite hack or any tips you've discovered for small kitchens. We love hearing from you. See you in the next video, and happy decorating!